trying to keep your pool warm in the summer in the UK. It's a pain in the ass because you get these electric heaters, they cost a fortune and they do naff. So first off, I got rid of the shitty little pump that comes with it. I switched it for a much more powerful pump. Ran that through the usual system with the adapters, and we've insulated the pool with bubble wrap top, much cheaper than actually buying a bubble cover, and all the sides are insulated with 2 layers of bubble wrap as well. Insulating bubble wrap costs you a tenner for 30 meters, and then this little pipe here is my warm flow, as well as that one. Now that one goes to the electric heater, that one is the solar heater. They're both powered off the same pump. I've just made a little adapter so a little bit of the feed from the water inlet goes out of the pool and over to solar collector. Now the first one is just standard garden hose pipe, which isn't really that good because it only brings it up by about 3 degrees. The second one, which I built in about 20 minutes, costed me about 15 quid, is a copper hose. It's 10 meters of copper reel in there, 10mm, and between the two we've got an increase of, let's see what temperature it's actually running at the moment. So the pool is 29.2 degrees currently, and that's purely off solar. If I get the little adapter, put it in there, let's see what that goes up to. Give it a minute. 4. It's a very slow climbing thermometer. But as you can see, we don't have a massive amount of sun at the moment. It's a lot of cloud. And when you've got direct sunlight on it, it's about 40 degrees Celsius going into the pool. So on a nice sunny day, the sun's just coming back out from the cloud. So you can see that I'll start to climb. This is just a very cheap thermometer off eBay. Cost me £2 including postage, so but it is fairly accurate. The air temperature at the moment is 18 degrees, and this is solely off solar power today. Okay.